That's the big wire pointed net. Just waiting for some bits to dry, it's still too wet. Not a lot about doing that, I never got the other day. I'm just leaving this bit to finish tomorrow. I have to recoat this bit now because whoever done this job originally put that door in, fucking cheapskate, just put a concrete lint on and faced it and then rubbed it up. So I'm currently waiting for this to dry so I can cut it off and get it straight. Still need to rub it up and I'll get that pounded tomorrow and that'll be it done. That was about there where the stones were knackered. And up there. Haven't been weeding the wire or the hessian, I've just been covering it because I'm afraid it was frost. It's been minus all the time, it's meant to be warmer now, but without a chance weeding it around, it's freezing, so see what happens.